Create and verify Bitget account on PC. In today's video, I will show you how to create and verify your Bitget account on PC. Now, if you want to create a Bitget account, just the step number one, go to the Bitget homepage, like so. As you can see, go to the register page. Now, after that, to register an account with email address, enter your email address and create a new password. To register an account with mobile number, enter your country code, phone number. Next, create a new password. Please be informed that the country code from services restricted countries will not be listed. Note, and you should remember, your password must have 8 to 32 characters, or at least one number or numeric, at least one uppercase letter, at least one special character, so to make a strong password. Now, optional, as you can see, enter your referral code if you want to enter it. Now, step number 2, read and agree the user agreement and privacy policy. Step number 3, complete the captcha verification. And step number 4, so for email registration, enter the verification code sent you to register email inbox. Next, click on sign up to complete the registration. So for mobile verification, just enter the verification code or SMS code sent you to your mobile number. Next, click on sign up to complete the registration. Now, and you're done, you can now log in to your account. Now, how to verify your account? Now, step number 1, go to your Bitget account and select identify verification as a regular user or Bitget. Click verify on the same page as you can see here to apply for individual verification or KYC. Now, step number 2, choose your nationality or country and the ID type, ID card, passport, or drivers, or anything that prove your identity. Now, next, select PC if you want to apply through your PC or web. Now, important note, I should remember to comply with the rules and regulation. Bitget only accept 1 or 2 types of identity document for certain nationality. For example, we only accept nationality ID for some countries, but passport, driver's license are not accepted. Now, step number 3, enter your phone name. If you have a middle name, please fill in after your first name. Now, step number 4, you are only required to take 3 photos with your phone or upload a photo from your PC. Now, click on continue. Once you have taken them or uploaded all photos, number 1, front view of your ID or passport or driver's license. Number 2, back view of your ID or passport or driver's license. Now, the next step 3, your selfie. Now, note and should remember, do not wear hats and glasses, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient or not too bright to avoid reflection. Now, you should remember that when you take a selfie. Now, if you choose to continue on phone, get a secure link or QR code so that you can take photo via phone. Step number 5, once you have taken all the 3 photos, proceed to submit verification. And step number 6, your application will be under review up to 1 to 4 hours. So, step number 7, if your KYC application has failed, you will receive a notification with reason via your registration email, and it will send as like you see here. Now, to start the manual review process, click on hyperlink like in this from the email. Click on this to review the process. Now, this is how to create and verify your Bitget account on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.